So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering Chronicles of Plant Design. So we'll continue with Chronicle number 3, that is basics of AutoCAD 2D. And we will continue with part 4 of the video. So in earlier part 1 to 3, we have seen line, polyline, circle, arc, and rectangular, ellipse, and we have seen move command. So move command is right over here. I was not able to find in the earlier video that in the ribbon, but it is right over here. We'll move with the copy command. So what is copy command? So for example, you have a circle over here, and you want to copy this circle. Okay, you want to copy this circle, I'll delete it. So to delete also, I'll tell you how to delete. So if you want to copy this circle, just select the circle, give CO, or select the circle, give copy command from here. It will say select the base point, select base point, quadrant or center, we'll select quadrant, and then placing point. What is the next point? So you can also give the dimension 1000 mm, enter. You can give this direction, you can give 750 mm, enter. You can give this direction, you can give 2500 mm, enter. Like this is also possible. Otherwise, delete. Now I want to delete this. No, just select, press delete. Okay, or else Control Z, that is undo. Just you select erase, command E, enter. Select the object, okay, enter. It will be deleted. So now I'll do copy once again. I can give command and then select the object. I can give command copy, and then it says select object because we have not selected the object. So first is select the object. Then you enter. Then you put the base point and the next base point. Next base point is this base point. Quadrant. Next base point. Okay. Escape. Okay. So copy command will be I'll tell you one more time. Copy command, if you see with the object, so it will be like it will keep on coming, it will keep on coming, it will not go. Like the earlier we have seen move command. If you press enter, it will go, but in the copy command, it will keep on coming the copy. It will keep on going copy. So for to remove it from the action, you have to press enter, escape, or you can either right click on your mouse and then enter. Okay, so this is copy is done. So we will move with the next command, which is array. We have other command we will look into, but first we'll go to array. So what is array? So array is something, for example, you have given a circle over here. Okay, so no, I'll tell you first. Array, if you see in the array next, there's a small arrow, so it will come background. If you click rectangular, and polar. So we have three options in array. So we'll see first rectangular array. Since we have rectangular array over here, if you click, it will directly go to rectangular array, or you give AR command. Okay, so first we'll draw an object. We'll draw a small object. So this object you want to have five different columns and five different rows. The dimension of column 200 mm and rows 200 mm. So you can draw, you can keep on drawing, right? So the easy way is select the object, give array, select rectangular. Okay, so here it will come. Here you can give, I said 5 column, then we have 5 rows. Distance between column is 200. Okay, tab. This is 200, 250, 250. Enter. It's just created. So now if you click on associative, I'll tell you, if you click on associative and then you click enter or exit, so what will happen? This will be become as a block. This has become as a block. And whenever you click on this, this will come like this. Okay. So now if I double click now, it will open. So because I have clicked associative. So now let me do one more time. I'll do Control Z. Okay. I select the object. I keep AR, enter, rectangular. Okay. Or we will give, no, I'll remove this. I'll not select associative over here. And if I give enter, this will not become as a block. This will come as a single circle. Understood? So it depends upon you. Depending upon the drawing, the nature of the drawing, you can select associative or not. So next is the polar array. We have seen rectangular, so now we will move on to polar array. Then we'll move on to path array. So for example, polar array, we have circle. Okay. So I want to have 50 mm offset. So I'll tell you one more command before going to polar array. For example, if you have circle and you want to make one more circle with same center but 50 mm offset, so just select O, enter, dimension 50, enter, select the object and then click. Select the object, you can click. You can keep on creating 50 mm offset. Okay. So I'll remove this, I'll remove this, I'll remove this, I'll remove this. So we have that is about offset command. So I want to make circle in between these two quadrant point. So I'll click send circle. See, but I want to make one to be between two. The hard option is select line, put line, then select center circle, click midpoint, and then make circle. The easy way is select circle, press shift, right click, mid between 2 point, first point, second point. Automatically we go to the midpoint of this between two. So I'll give 50. Okay, enter. So now I have another circle. So if I want to change the radius, is bigger. So I put it 25. Okay, double click, open. You can have a dial box, and then you can change the diameter of the circle also. So now I want to have a circle all over with six different number of circle in between these two. That is so how we will do. The hard way is you draw angle at the rate 30, 60, 90, and then you put the angle in between all the point. The easy way is select the object, put AR, space, then select polar. Select polar. So the first point of setting polar, since we have selected the object, otherwise if you have not set the object now, so AR enter. So it will ask you to select the object first. This is the object which I want to array, polar array. Enter. So I will select polar. So once you select polar, what is asking? Specify center point of the array, base point, axis of rotation. So my base point is this circle center, right? So I will select this center. So now you have this dial box. So I can easily give number of item as 7 or 8. Enter. It will automatically come. Or I can, you see, if you want to have this complete circle, you can select this fill angle at 60 degree. Or I can take 290, 270 also. So it will come to this point, because this is, as we have, if you have seen my earlier video, I have set it clockwise, and I have not set it clockwise, so it will always go in the anti-clockwise direction. So it is going anti-clockwise till 70 degree and 8 numbers. If I select 360, it will come in the complete circle. And you have different option again here. If I don't click associative, if I click associative and enter, it will become as a block. And if I same, I'll do again. If I don't click associative and I click enter, so this will not become block, this will become in the single object. It depends upon you with the ratio of the drawing what you want to do. So next we will do see the path array. So now again I select this object, for example path. I have this line and circle. I want this line to come in this path 10 times with equal space. So how you will do? So this path is like a arc, right? It is difficult to make. You can also give offset and do it. Offset can also work over here. So I'll give 100 equal distance 100 and then I give 100. This point I've become, this point I'll come, this point. So this is a hard way. So here you can copy and then you place in the intersection over here. Okay, intersection over here, you place intersection over here, intersection over here, and you delete this line, delete this line. So see, you can always do pan if by center clicking your scroll key and move the drawing like I am moving. So this is the hard way. So easy way of doing it in the path. This is the we call path array. Select the object, give array command, select path. So when you select path, the first which AutoCAD asks is you to do is to select the curve path. Select path curve. So this is the path which I want to do. Array. See, it's automatically has come. So let me fill the angle 100 mm, or I'll put 75. Okay, or instead of putting over here, let me click over items, number of items. Okay, so distance. So specify distance item along the path. Distance as, okay, what is this item? If I click on expression, it will go back. Okay, so expression, I'll put 50. Enter. Fill the entire path, or you can also select the path dimension. So if I click entire path, so it has set the entire path. So now here you see it is going, it is the angle of this is changing. Why? Because here we have put aligned item. It is aligning itself with the angle of the curve. If you don't want to do it, you click, you remove this align item now. So automatically it will go only straight. Then if you click align, so it will align with the curve path. If you remove the align, it will not, it will go only straight. So again, if you click associative, it will become a complete block. otherwise it will not become a block. So now we have filtered associative, it has become a block. So now you see, again, whenever you click, this dialog box will open. This is about array. So stay tuned, I'll put more videos and more videos. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because I'll be putting more videos on AutoCAD in the further in the upcoming days. Thank you.